Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best football t-shirts that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Nelius Men's Dry Fit Mesh Athletic Shirts. Nelius Company is a reputable name in the athletic world. Because of the wonderful features they introduced to the market. The company came into existence in the year 2008. They have introduced a number of t-shirts over the years. This model is designed with the best quality materials and it remains the most energetic brand on the market. This is machine washable and designed with 100% polyester mesh fabric material. Moving on at number 4, we have the Opna Men's Long Sleeve Moisture Wicking Athletic Shirts. When it comes to quality, no other t-shirt can compare with Opna product. One of the best products from the company is this Opna Men's Long Sleeve Moisture t-shirts. It has a wicking ability. One thing great with this model is the fact that it is versatile. It is perfect for different purposes, and when you are looking for the best t-shirts to support your favorite team, this model is great for that purpose. At number 3, we have the Under Armour Men's HeatGear Armour Short Sleeve Compression T-shirt. The model is good for multi-purpose use. It features the full UA compression. Furthermore, the design is fantastic enough such that you can use it everywhere you go. The design is such that when you wear it, it offers you enough ventilation. Moreover, the UPF ensures that it protects your skin from a harmful ray. Because of the type of materials used to make it, the model lasts longer. It is designed with anti-odor materials and it does not emit any odor when you use it. At number 2, we have the Adidas Men's Badge of Sport Graphic Tee. The t-shirt is meant for men. From the design, it is oversized and that would ensure that it fits every user. It is lightweight, as it is designed using the fast-drying climate. When there is heat it would sweep it, and ensure that it would always stay light. It is a combination of polyester and cotton material. The material dries very fast. The model is slim fit by design and features a back neck tape and it can always fit the user. And finally at number 1, we have the TSLA Men's Long Sleeve T-Shirt Base Layer Cool Dry Compression Top. TSLA is meant for men and it is a long sleeve jersey or t-shirt. All you need to do is to order the usual size. The design is such that it can be used for all seasons. It is designed with 87% polyester and 13% spandex. It is designed with the finest quality elastic materials. Sure, it can serve you for a long time. When it is necessary, it releases heat and when there is moisture it can wick moisture through the cooling effect. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.